Today is March 23rd, and I think Mother Nature has the virus. What is going on with this place? You know, if we're trapped at home, we should at least be able to go out and sit at our deck and enjoy the sunshine. I hope your area of the country is warmer and brighter than this. What's going on, everybody? How you doing out there today? It is Monday, and Bob just called and said, man, you got to get the truck, you got to get down here. I got all these coffee makers and juice makers from this local coffee supply place. So that's where we're heading. Don't know what we're going to get ourselves into. Hopefully not the coronavirus. What are we getting ourselves into here, Bobberino? Whoa, Bob, what do you get us into?
I think it's pretty cool myself.
Holy crap!
I think I already come in down the college here, and I thought I'd better stay down there for a little bit.
Jeepers. Don't you know the coronavirus is out and about? You're supposed to stay home. Don't you know these things?
Oh.
The hell, Bob?
Give me an elbow, man. Give me an elbow.
Get your elbows away from me! Wow.
You might want to...
What's that? Might want to...
These two here are heavy ones.
Huh?
These two here are heavy ones.
Heavy for you.
For me, yeah. I'm, where's your jacket at, dude?
It's officially spring. I don't need a jacket, dude.
Okay. So this says good on it.
It says good.
It says good.
Oh, is it good for nothing?
Good for nothing.
Well, all right. Let me, maybe I should have went down to the property and unloaded first, huh? Put a couple in there, huh? Okay, so
First?
how heavy?
Heavy.
Oh my gosh! Oh, so there we go.
Oh, that's right.
I was like, that was really heavy. Well, shall we alley-oop them?
Yeah. How did
Did good. You did real good. Good job, buddy. Oh, I touched you.
Oh, shit.
Son of a. Oh, sheesh. I just want to see what was. Go later down. Later down.
I
just want to see it.
Just keep going over this for a minute.
Yeah, might as well. Not good for much anything else, is it? Oh, there's some copper there.
Copper in there and motor in there.
Oh, motor there. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe we need to strip these down a little bit.
I do. I really do. This is stainless steel, isn't it?
Yeah. Hold on. I just want to see what which is the heavy end. I don't want you taking the heavy end.
The heavy end's down, probably down there.
All right.
Can
Can you get a grip on the front? You okay? Oh yeah, that's definitely heavy. Flip one more time.
One more time?
There we go. Oh. Wow. Oh. Oh, you get us into some messes, you know. I do love it. A lot.
And motor and all that stuff in this too.
Oh yeah. Okay, back towards you. There you go. Just keep walking it just like that.
One more time, move it.
Sure. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. fun sometimes.
Maybe good. Look at all that shit aluminum in here.
That's stainless steel.
Yeah, it's all aluminum in here.
Oh yeah.
Wires.
Sure thing. Hold on, let's twist it just this way.
I got something in my shop.
Okay.
My shop.
Your shop. Okay, try and flip it up. Okay. I like that. Okay. Wow.
Well, we can set these in the tubs. They're up to that.
Steve's Bakery, Ottawa, closed account. So these are probably good, huh?
Yeah.
Old Town.
Yeah, these are good on them.
M90 automatic.
I think we do better locally.
Yeah.
You know?
There we go. I'll put that one in the front seat. I don't know. Oh, careful. God damn it. Ah, shit. Huh?
Lost my balance.
Oh, I thought you said you bounced.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Right, that's gonna slide right out.
It's a heavy one.
Huh? Oh my goodness. Some type of a grinder, huh? Wow. It's a brand new one. Jeepers. Brand new, but the cord's been cut off. See that? Or has the one just never been installed in the first place? What we got left? One?
We gotta come back tomorrow and get 20 more.
Yeah, right. I hope you're not lying to me.
Couldn't resist this.
I know. I just wonder if I was looking to see if it had a model number or something that we could reference if we listed that part, but I don't know. So, what a mess. Now what do we do with them? Hot cocoa, clean after each use.
Stainless steel.
Stainless steel. All right, good score, buddy. Okay, so I did a little research here on eBay, and I actually found one of these Farmer Brothers M90 coffee machines, which we got at least 4, maybe 5 of them, asking $269 a piece. The thing is, none of them have sold, so I don't really think there's much value in reality for them. I mean, you can ask whatever you want, but if nobody's buying them, nobody's buying them. Here is a diagram, and this is the one that same one here, the Brewmatic M90. I used this item number here. I eventually was able to find a diagram with the part numbers on it, but as I began entering various part numbers, again, I can't find any sales or any demand for them. So I think that these are just going to be scrapped. I might break some down to see if there's any copper in there, but for the most part, those are just going to be scrapped for now. All right, another item that we found was the Grandmaster Model 250 coffee grinder, and you can see here in working order, $200. But ours was already taken apart, but some of the parts that might be on here do have some value. For example, this is the funnel that's worth $31.22. It doesn't have a picture of it, unfortunately. Here is a timer worth $150. Here is a hopper. I don't know if it had the hoppers on them that were removable. They do, $168. So there's definitely some money there. I think that one would be worth taking apart and seeing what is there to resell. So finally, let's talk about these juicing machines. This was probably the closest one I could find that looked like the ones we picked up. I'd have to look closer to see if that was an exact match or just close. But this one here is by Bun, and it is for parts or repair, and he's asking $400 plus shipping for it. I don't know if he's ever going to get that, but again, you can ask whatever you want, but if nobody's really buying it, you're never going to get it. But the other item that I saw were the legs off of those, and those were selling. They've sold 13 so far for $31.75. These are brand new, so I'm sure these probably bust off all the time, and people are moving them around the countertops. So the legs might be an opportunity. Hard to say on that one, but either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do. One of these nights, Diane and I are going to go live. But take care of yourselves, everybody. Stay home, stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.